So let's go through this in more detail and go down to the next level and take a look at these sections. We're not going to have time to go through each thing, but we'll highlight some of them. The first thing to notice is the structure. These are tables, and the tables are designed to have kind of the feature in the left column and the comments in the right column. And so you'll see that kind of throughout the review. And then we'll go in the summary. This includes just a few attributes that most we've heard from this group are most important. The cost, as was said before, it's probably the #1 consideration. Secondly, who's the target learner? In this case, this product, pre-licensure nursing students and registered nurses, which most of these will be for, but this will tell you where it's in or out of those kinds of bounds. The format for this particular resource is interactive videos of simulated participants in the actual environment, inpatient and outpatient, and the home. And then the implementation is kind of a summary of how easy it is to implement. And for those in Kathy's scenario, this will be important because you have not very much time to bring something up. The noteworthy area allows an opportunity to highlight some areas that you'll need to know right away before you go into the rest of this summary. And in this one, it says that faculty are going to need to supplement this product with other material that meets the standards, which is an important thing to know early. And the last is the website. Where do you go? And this is a clickable link to go to a place on the website where you can get more information.